In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get better at chess on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, as we would like to get better at chess, of course, on chess.com. And simply if we want to do that, once we are here at this homepage, make sure to go to this list panel. And of course, the first thing that you'd like to do is just play a lot of chess games. Because when you play a lot, you will see a lot of openings, mid games, and then you will realize a lot of moves. Of course, make sure to analyze your games after you finish, and you'll be able to analyze all of them if you have a premium plan, because free plan they will give you one analyze per day. So if you want to really get better, you'd like to subscribe with them, and of course you'd like to solve the puzzles daily because the puzzles help you improve in chess more than you think. And you can even go to this left panel, learn, and of course you can learn some lessons, you can learn some openings, some end games, you can practice, and of course that's how you get better at chess.com. So this will be actually for this tutorial, of course, at chess on chess.com. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.